Hello students, today we start our 17th chapter, our universe. Okay, in this chapter we learn about the different bodies present in our universe. Okay, different bodies means sun, stars, different planets. Okay, so firstly planets in the solar system, second the sun, moon and stars. Okay, so before starting this chapter, as we already done that, we have to discuss the portion of let's go. So firstly, look at the pictures and answer the questions that follow. So here you can look the pictures very carefully and tell me which one of this is a sun, moon or stars. Okay. So first one is the picture of sun. Second, the picture of moon, and the third one is the picture of stars. Okay, now we try to solve these questions. Have you seen these bodies in the sky? Of course, yes. Okay, so write down when these objects can be seen in the sky. So first one is I can see the sun dash during the day or at night. So we all know that we can see the sun during the day. Okay, second is I can see the moon. So we can see the moon during daytime or at night time. So as we all know that we can see the moon at night. Third one is I can see the twinkling stars dash. So tell me whenever we can see the stars, twinkling stars during day or at night. So as you all know that we can see the twinkling stars at night. Okay. Now we can discuss about our universe. Okay. So when we talk about our universe, firstly we talk about our sun family. Okay. So what is a sun family? Okay. So first one, when you wake up every morning, do you see the sun in the sky? Yes, we all can see the sun in the sky during daytime. So the sun is a star that is present in outer space. It gives us heat and light. So do you know that sun is also a star? Okay. So Rajesh, sun is also a star and it is the biggest star. Okay, so first one and closest to the earth. Sun is present at the outer space and as we all know that it provides us a heat and sunlight. Next is the sun has a family of 8 huge bodies that move around it in a fixed path. These bodies are called planets. As you can see in this picture, that is a solar system. Okay, so these all 8 bodies are included in the sun's family. Okay, and these bodies are known as planets, and these bodies are travels in a fixed path. Okay, so that fixed path is known as a orbit. So they are mostly round in shape, means all the planets mostly are in round in shape, and the sun and its family is known as a solar system. So in a sun's family we can include a sun and 8 planets. Okay. Now look at the picture of the solar system and write down the order in which the planets move around the us. 2 have been done for you. So there are, we all know that 8 planets in the sun family. Okay, so here you can write down the names of that 8 planets. So as we seen in this picture, that first planet is Mercury. Okay, second planet is V for Venus, third planet E for Earth, fourth planet M for Mars, fifth planet Jupiter, sixth Saturn, 7th Uranus, and 8th one is Neptune. Okay. The earth on which all of us live. So earth is the only planet where a life can exist. Okay. So it appears in blue in color because it has a lot of water on it. Okay, and when we capture the pictures with the help of a satellites from the universe, so it appears as a blue in color. So it is also known as a blue planet. Now we talk about the moon. So you must have seen the moon in the night sky. The moon looks like a huge ball shining in the sky. It moves around the earth. The moon shines at night because of sun's light. Because moon do not have its own line. It depends upon the sun's light. Okay. If we look carefully, it seems that moon changes its shapes every night. Okay. So moon changes its shapes every night due to the covering of its surface by the earth. Okay. So did you know before human beings, monkeys and dogs were sent into the outer space by scientists? It is believed that the first dog to be sent to the outer space was named Laika. जब ह्यूमंस हैं जो वो सैटेलाइट में नहीं जाते थे, ठीक है, तो उनकी जगह पे कौन से इनको भेजा जाता था, ठीक है, मंकीज़ और डॉग्स को साइंटिस्ट इनको सेंड करते थे, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले आउटर स्पेस में जाने वाला जो डॉग था उसका नेम क्या था, लाइका. ओके. नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट द स्टार्स. So we all see that stars are appears into the sky at night. Okay, and we can see that stars as a very small dots because they are very far away from the earth. Okay, so these are the stars. Stars are very big in size but they look small because they are very far away from us. We don't see the stars in the sky after sunrise because the color of sky is similar as the color of stars. Okay, so we cannot see the stars very clearly at the daytime. Okay, have you ever noticed star forming a pattern? Okay, आपने कभी नोटिस किया है कि जो स्टार हैं वो कोई ना कोई पिक्चर बनाते हैं, ठीक है, पैटर्न बनाते हैं, ठीक है। तो उन स्टार्स के ग्रुप को जो एक पैटर्न बनाते हैं स्काई में, उनको क्या कहा जाता है, कॉन्स्टिलेशंस, ठीक है। जिन स्टार्स को मिला के हम एक पिक्चर बनाते हैं तो उन स्टार्स को क्या कहा जाता है, constellation. Okay, if I ask you that what are the constellation, so you can say that when a group of stars forms a pattern in the sky, then it is known as a constellation. Okay, so there are number of constellations present in the sky, but the major constellation that we can see are Great Bear, okay, Great Bear and Orion are some examples of constellation. As you can see in this picture, so these pictures are the name of constellation is Orion or a Great Bear. Okay. Now we discuss, now we can recall our chapter. So firstly we can talk about the sun family. Okay, so sun family includes sun and 8 planets that are moved around the sun into a fixed path that known as a orbit. Okay, second is the order in which planets move around the sun, means there are 8 planets. Okay, so the order of the arranging of these planets are from Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, next is third is we can talk about the stars and moon. So stars are the very big in size, so that it appears as small in size from the Earth because they are very far away from the Earth. Fourth one is constellation. So as we discussed that what is a constellation? Constellation is a group of stars that make a particular pattern. Okay. So I hope after watching this video you can solve the back exercise of question number A. So I hope that you will solve this question number A by your own. After that we can discuss this in our Zoom session. Okay. Thank you and have a nice